lado. Vou ajustar o sacro primeiro. Esse lado aqui. Posicionar, fim da perna. Isso, fica frente do quadril. Lembra na hora de respirar, puxa o ar pelo nariz, deixa sair pela boca. Quando for dar o ajuste, não trava a respiração, tá? Respira fundo, bem fundo. Solta o ar. Ótimo. Muito bom. Vira para o outro lado. Respira fundo, solta o ar. Ótimo. Muito bom. Vai para baixo. Vamos ver se corrigir lá a perna, sardinha dentro. Só um pouquinho mais para baixo. Fechou. Ótimo. Segura o ombro, flexionando esse joelho aqui. Deixa eu lembrar de respirar, tá? Não vai não, tá tranquilo, não cai não, tá? Não cai não, tá tranquilo. Respira fundo. Solta o ar. Ótimo. Sutil.
Let's go big breath in, all the way out. Good, one more, all the way out. There it went, perfect. Now we'll get this little guy, let it lay, there it is. And then this one, there it is, awesome. Let's go big breath again, all the way out. There it is, and again, all the way out. There we go, awesome. You're starting to actually open up on this thing a little bit. Big breath again, all the way out. Good. Still again. Good. That's all good. I'm going to do a little stretch just to open this up a little bit. Excellent. You guys had a good workout this morning?
Oh yeah.
Excellent. Let the knee drop. That's open. One more. Good. Other side. Those are moving. So that helped pretty good. Let this knee drop. There it is. On your back. So just down the left hip closing down a little bit. This guy. There it is. There they are. Down to those two.
Good. Feel all this tension up here? This is where your headaches come from, dizziness comes from, right up in here. And so we're going to affect this indirectly by adjusting the middle of your neck. Okay. Just taking my time, no rush, nice and easy. Okay. You feel it's already starting to go? It already start to go right there. Good. I did the hard side first. Good. Right in here is where I'm going to adjust, right in the middle of that tension right there. Good. 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 How's that?
Fine.
Fine, huh?
Yeah.
Fine.
Is I've separated the tendons with my finger, and I've moved into the back of the knee joint capsule onto the back part of the actual meniscus there, and I've put the tibia into a neutral position, and I'm kind of levering it this way a little bit to open up the joint space. And if we can just get the cartilage to start to shift a bit, see there, see how we can bring his leg up? You see that? So that went from locked to being able to put it in the right spot. So now what I'm going to do is keep a bit of pressure where I am, but move across onto the back of the tibia, the lateral part of the tibia. You might get a bit of a fright here, Paul, but don't be worried, okay, mate? Put a bit of weight on him there, Rob. That's it. Just let your tummy muscles relax there, Paul. There you go. This one might be a little bit uncomfortable, Paul, but don't worry if it is. There you go. Beautiful. And then typically, he'll rotate your head and lean it to the side, or what we call lateral flexion, to find the tension in the joint. And as you relax, there's a little thrust that goes in that moves that bone in the right position. Here we go. And with this one, the important part is pretending you're relaxing your ear right on the pillow. Good, let everything go. And boom, moves right in.
This is a great way to fast stretch the hips and the joints of the spine. If this is the case, then I have low force adjusting techniques to remove your subluxations.
We're just going to give it a little push. And I felt that move, so yeah. Do you feel how that's looser?
Yeah, I feel more.
Okay. And I'm just going to take a little contact and we're going to push there. And we got a little release. We're still a bit tight. There it goes right there. And there we go. Okay.
So we're going to set it up with a little tension, moving forward and to the right. Make sure his head stays as close to neutral as we can, and just give it a push.
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. Doesn't that feel okay?
I feel great.
Good. Doing okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. All right, doing okay so far?
Yeah.
All righty. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Really great movement out of that joint. That feel okay?
Felt great.
Same thing on the left over here.
So that's what I'm going to do right there, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Ready for this, kiddo?
Yep, I'll live.
Good. You will. Okay. Let your head go right there. Good. Just relax right there. Okay. Try the other way.
Whoa. Trippy. That didn't even hurt.
It didn't hurt?
No.
Okay, let's go this way. Oh, man, your jaw just popped right there. Just setting it up.
Whoa. God. Wow, I really like that.
And how many times have you done this before?
This is my first time ever going
First
to a
time
chiropractor.
As you can tell, he's watched the video, so he knows exactly what to do. Right? Let me get some movement in here. You got, right here, okay. Feel that tenderness right here? Relax right in here for me. Very good, okay, excellent. How'd that feel?
Wow.
All right, good. We got some video, some movement for the video there. Right there. Relax right here for me. Excellent, okay. Good movement there. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. On the table. That feel pretty good?
Yeah,
All right. What you expected?
unexpected.
Yeah. Does it sound that pronounced on the video? Like when you're listening to the video, do you hear that that pronounced?
Not
No.
really, because it's on me.
Right. Exactly. So here you hear it right in your ear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. Now, when you were watching these videos, did you feel like some relief on some of your issues? Like, did you feel like, oh, that would feel pretty good?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is called ASMR. Okay. So ASMR, right? What that is it's a form of extreme empathy. An example: you walk outside this building and you see a car accident, and you're like, whoa, you react to it, right? Watching these chiropractic videos, watching the adjustment, watching the soft tissue work has that same response in getting people to relax. So we have people that report that they watch our videos, when they're feeling stressed and tired, and it kind of relaxes their body. So, a little bit of form of ASMR isn't bad. Tender here?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna get some movement in here, okay? Relax right here. Good. Relax right in here. Very good. All right, take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Good movement in there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Good. Very good. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Okay, let's check something here. So as you're watching, we're kind of working some of the soft tissue as we go. Working out those areas that we saw that were tight on his low back, on his mid back here. That kind of helps me get in and deliver a nice solid adjustment. Good. Okay. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Okay. Very good. Relax your head right in there. Let's have your top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right here. Right there. Switch right here. Okay. We're going to set up right over here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. All right. Let's go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Let's go right here. Good. Right there. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up there for me. Okay. Relax right here. All right. Good. Relax right here. Very good. I'm gonna help you up here. Okay. So again, guys, like us on Facebook, share our videos, comment below. Right when you comment, you tag your friends. They see what's up. They see us like you saw us on from way far away and drive way over here to see us.
I had to do it.
How do you feel?
I feel outstanding.
Outstanding. All right, good. We'll see. Okay.
हमारा कहाँ बैठे सब तो यही लाके चक्कर लगाया ना 10 मिनट पैसा नहीं देगा पैसा देगा तो सब सीट देगा नहीं बना बना पचास में 16 है ना मेरा भाई खाने नहीं किया हाथ देख